Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Computer Basic Multiple Choice Question Answer Session. In this episode, we are going to see some of the important multiple choice question answer. Let's start the session. A process is a single thread of execution, program in the execution, program in the memory, and tasks. The right answer is program in the execution. What is the smallest unit of the information? Option A, a bit, a byte, a block, a nibble. The right answer is a bit. What is the term for a temporary storage area that compensates for differences in data rate and data flow between devices? Options are buffer, bus, channel, modem. The right answer is buffer. The time interval between adjacent bits is called the options are word time, bit time, turnaround time, slice time. And the right answer is bit time. Which of the following is a structured programming technique that graphically represents the detailed step required to solve a program? Options are object-oriented programming, pseudocode, flowchart, top-down design. And the right answer is flowchart. BIOS is used for options are by compiler, by interpreter, by application software, by operating system. The right answer is by operating system. What is the full form of DRAM? Dynamic Remote Access Memory, Dynamic Random Access Memory, Digital Remote Access Memory, Digital Random Access Memory. And the right answer is Dynamic Random Access Memory. Which of the following is exclusively a sequential access storage device? Options are hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape, DVD. And the right answer is option C, magnetic tape. Which is the full form of USB? Options are Unshielded System Board, Universal Serial Bus, Universal System Board, Unidentified System Bus. The right answer is option B, Universal Serial Bus. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory chip? Options are EEPROM, RAM, DRAM, SRAM. And the correct answer is option A, EEPROM, EEPROM. The second generation computer was based on options are vacuum tube, transistor, electron tube, electron ray. And the correct answer is option B, transistor. Which of the following parts is called the brain of the computer? Options are ALU, monitor, UPS, CPU. And the correct answer is option D, CPU. Which of the following memory is very fast memory in a computer? Options are RAM, ROM, cache, PROM. And the correct answer is option C, cache. What are the stages in the completion process? Option A, feasibility study, system design and testing. Option B, implementing and documentation. Option C, lexical analysis, syntax analysis and code generation. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, lexical analysis, system, syntax analysis and code generation. A physical connection between the microprocessor, memory and other parts of the microcomputer is known as option A, path, B, address bus, C, route, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, address bus. The arranging of data in a logical sequence is called A, sorting, B, classifying, C, reproducing, D, summarizing. And the correct answer is sorting. The circuit used to store one bit of data is known as option A register, B encoder, C decoder, D flip-flop. And the correct answer is D flip-flop. The average time required to reach a storage location in memory and obtain its contents is called seek time, turnaround time, access time, transfer time. And the correct answer is option C, access time. The idea of cache memory is based on the property of locality of reference, on the heuristic 90-10 rule, on the fact that references generally tend to cluster, all of the above. And the correct answer is on the property of locality of reference. The addressing mode used in an instruction of the form add xy is absolute, index, indirect, none of these. And the correct answer is index. Write-through technique is used in which memory for updating the data? Main memory, virtual memory, cache memory, auxiliary memory. And the correct answer is option C, cache memory. When CPU is executing a program that is part of the operating system, it is said to be in interrupt mode, system mode, half mode, simplex mode. And the correct answer is option B, system mode. In computers, subtraction is carried out generally by 1s complement method, 2s complement method, sign magnitude method, BCD subtraction method. And the correct answer is B, 2s complement method. Register keeps track of the instruction stored in program stored in memory. AR register, XR register, PC, program counter, AC, accumulator. And the correct answer is PC, program counter. Logic gates with a set of input and outputs is arrangement of combinational circuit, logic circuit, design circuits, register. The correct answer is option A, combinational circuit. The load instruction is mostly used to designate a transfer from memory to a processor register known as accumulator, instruction register, program counter, memory address register. And the correct answer is option A, accumulator. A flip-flop is a binary cell capable of storing information of 1 bit, 1 byte, 0 bit, 8 bit. And the correct answer is option A, 1 bit. Diagrammatic representation of a program logic, process, flowchart, data, legend. And the correct answer is option B, flowchart. In which addressing mode the operand is given explicitly in the instruction? Absolute, immediate, indirect, direct. And the correct answer is option B, immediate. The circuit converting binary data into decimal is encoder, multiplexer, decoder, code converter. And the correct answer is option D, code converter. That's all for this episode. Please subscribe this channel for further multiple choice questions and share with your friends.